Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biryani gravy. Start with the foundational elements for a rich biryani gravy. You'll need about 2 medium onions, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. Don't forget your aromatic base. 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste, plus 2 to 3 green chilies for a kick. Have your cooking oil, water, and fresh cilantro and mint on hand. Now let's build the flavor. Heat about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Add your thinly sliced onions and sauté them patiently until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Next, stir in the ginger garlic paste and chopped green chilies, cooking for about 2 minutes until fragrant. It's time to introduce the tomatoes. Add your chopped tomatoes to the pan and cook them down until they become soft and release their juices, forming a pulpy base. Then, gently whisk in 1/4 cup of plain yogurt, ensuring it's well combined for a creamy texture. Let this mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the gravy to thicken beautifully. For the perfect finish, stir in a generous handful of fresh cilantro and mint leaves. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding salt as needed and a pinch of garam masala for an extra layer of warmth. Your delicious biryani gravy is now ready to serve. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.